And the morning glories started blooming, and of course they're using the fence. Move, Sam. It's finally bloomed. I still don't know what it is. You have to look it up. I hear the hawk Tuesday.
Huh?
I said I just heard the hawk whistle, so keep an eye on the
Okay, yeah, I heard it.
baby dogs. And the green beans are finally making some green beans.
Okay.
It's circling over there by their house.
There goes your big helper.
I know. And the green beans have made it to the top of the trellis. I guess I need to run another string up there to coax them to grow in a different direction. Still no cucumbers, I don't think. Lots of blossoms, no cukes. The squash or the zucchini are doing, ow, fine. One way down there. There's a little one right there. Oh dear. I think I forgot the water. We look a little droopy. Considering we're related to sunflowers, it's not hot here. And cantaloupe. They're growing pretty good. And I'm going to end this right here.